Fact: Harold and Carol quit their thermostat wars. So, how are they both comfortable in the bedroom that used to take so long to cool? Harold hired Stellrr to cleanse and transform their attic, which moved their AC ducts from a hot oven into a cool Yeti-like cooler. The EPA says HVAC ducts commonly leak 20 to 30%, meaning only 70% of the air you pay to cool will make it into your rooms. It gets worse. Cold air exits your air handler at 55 degrees, but as it travels, it heats up. Harold was receiving 70-degree cooled air, trying to cool their bedroom to 74 degrees. Now that Stellrr cleansed his attic, Harold is receiving 55-degree air to cool his room to 74 degrees. How much faster does a room get to the right temperature with perfectly conditioned air? A lot faster. Stellrr moves the thermal and air boundary from the attic floor to the attic roof. This keeps all the air duct leakage in the building. It controls the attic temps. It transforms the house into an incredibly more comfortable and energy-efficient living space. Discover the details at stellrr.com/HVAC.